Hello students, today in this session we shall be discussing about a numerical related to admission of a partner. So if you look at the screen you will find the numerical, that is, it reads Arun and Barun are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. So they are sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. Arun has 3 parts and Barun has 3 parts out of a total 5 parts. It further says that Chandan is admitted as a new partner. So, in a new partner, Chandan is admitted into the partnership firm, and Chandan's share is 1/3 of the future profits and losses. So, new partner Chandan has 1/3 share, and for that share, Chandan brings 50,000 as capital and 30,000 as premium for goodwill. So, Chandan's capital is 50,000 and 30,000 is the premium for goodwill that Chandan is bringing as he is joining the already existing partnership firm. And this premium money will be taken by the existing partner, that is Arun and Barun, in the ratio of their sacrifice. As between Arun and Barun, they decided to share future profits and losses equally. So after Chandan joining the partnership firm, Arun and Barun has decided that from now onwards they will be sharing the future profits and losses equally. So this is the information we have, and using these information we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio of Arun and Barun and also pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm. So now we shall move on to the summary of this particular question and then move on to the solution. So we have the summary, okay, of the question. So it says what? It says that there are 2 partners, Arun and Barun. Arun, Barun. They are having the ratio, they are sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. Okay, then it says that new partner Chandan is coming into the business, and Chandan's share is 1/3 of the future profits, and for 1/3 share Chandan is bringing in capital. Chandan's capital is 50,000 and he is bringing in premium 30,000 and premium for 30,000. So this is the information that we have at our disposal, and it says that later on Arun and Barun, after Chandan's admission into the firm, will be sharing profits and losses equally. So later Arun and Barun will share profits and losses equally, that is in the ratio 1:1. So this is the summary of the question. So now the question wants us to find out the sacrificing ratio. The question wants us to find out the sacrificing ratio. So for calculating the sacrificing ratio, we need the new profit sharing ratio, because the sacrificing ratio formula is old ratio minus new ratio. So we need the sacrificing ratio. The formula is old ratio minus new ratio, and we need sacrificing ratio for 2 reasons. First is because it is mentioned in this question, and in other cases also we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio, because this premium money, whatever is the premium money, is always taken by the existing partners in the ratio of sacrifice. So in any circumstance we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so now for calculating the sacrificing ratio we need to calculate the new ratio. We already have the old ratio of Arun and Barun. The old ratio is 3:2. Now we need to calculate the new ratio. So how we will calculate the new ratio? Let's move forward. So calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So how do you calculate that? Okay, so it has been given that Chandan is the new partner and Chandan's share is 1/3. So how will we calculate? So let us suppose total profit or total share 1. Then it is given in the question that Chandan's share is equal to 1 by 3. Now out of total share, that is 1, that means 3 by 3 is 1. Okay, so Chandan's share is 1 by 3. Therefore, the remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So it is 2 by 3. So now the remaining share, after Chandan has taken his share, that is 1/3, the remaining share that is left with Arun and Varun is 2 by 3. Now this share will be taken by Arun and Varun. So now this share will be taken by Arun and Varun. Now Arun's share. Now it further mentions in the question that Arun and Varun will be sharing their future profits and losses equally. That means this 2 by 3 Arun and Varun will be taking equally. So this 2 by 3, half of it will be taken by Arun. So since the ratio is 1:1, that means half of 2 by 3 will be taken by Arun. And Varun's share will be again half of 2 by 3. So here it comes 2 by 6. Here it comes 2 by 6. So Arun takes 2 by 6. Arun's new share is 2 by 6. Varun's new share is 2 by 6. And we already have Chandan's share. Chandan's share is equal to 1 by 3. So denominator in the earlier two cases, in case of Arun and in case of Varun, the denominator is 6. So we'll make it equal. We'll multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 2. We get again here 2 by 6. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio is 2 by 6 is to 2 by 6 is to 2 by 6 is equal to 1:1:1. So this is the new profit sharing ratio, and then within this new profit sharing ratio we will be able to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So we have the old ratio 3:2 and the new ratio 1:1:1. So now we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So the sacrificing ratio formula is old ratio minus new ratio. So this is the formula for calculating the sacrificing ratio. So now we have the two existing partners who have sacrificed for the new partner, that is Arun and Varun. So we have Arun. So first we will calculate Arun's sacrifice. Arun's sacrifice. Now how much Arun is sacrificing? So what was Arun's old share? What was Arun's, this old ratio? We will calculate Arun's old share. What is Arun's old share? It was 3 by 5. And what is Arun's new share? 1 by 3. So we will calculate, if we take the LCM, 5 and 3, 15. 4 by 15. So this is Arun's sacrifice. And next we have Varun. Varun's sacrifice. So what was Varun's old share? Varun's old share was 2 by 5 and Varun's new share is 1 by 3. So again take the LCM of 5 and 3, 15. Okay. So 6 minus 5, 1 by 15. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio is equal to 4:1. 4 by 15 and 1 by 15. So it's 4:1. Okay. So now after this, we shall proceed forward with the journal entries. So we'll pass the entries in the books of the partnership firm. In the books of the firm, journal. The question wants us to prepare the journal entries. So preparing the journal. So you will draw the format in proper manner. Okay, I am just showing you the entries one by one. So the first entry will be with regard to the new partner Chandan coming into the firm with capital rupees 50,000 and premium rupees 30,000. So the entry for that will be bank account debit to Chandan's capital account. Okay, so bank account debited to Chandan's capital account, and Chandan is bringing in rupees 50,000 as his capital. 50,000 as his capital. This is the first entry. So you will have to pass the narration also. Okay, so the narration will be being the amount brought by Chandan as his capital. So not only capital, Chandan has also brought in some money against the goodwill that the existing business is possessing. So that his contribution towards goodwill of the business is called premium for goodwill. So Chandan, along with his capital, he is also bringing to the business certain amount as premium for goodwill. The business is receiving the money, so bank account is debited in both the cases. So Chandan is bringing rupees 30,000 as his premium for goodwill. 30,000, 30,000. Now the next entry will be this premium for goodwill. Okay, this money is brought by the new partner because he is taking benefits of the goodwill that has been created by the existing partner, and as a result this particular business is earning profits at a higher rate as compared to newer businesses. So this premium for goodwill will be taken by the existing partner. The existing partners have a claim over this premium for goodwill, and their claim is according to the ratio of their sacrifice. So this premium for goodwill rupees 30,000 will be taken by the existing partners in the ratio of their sacrifice. So existing partners are Arun and Varun. So this premium will go to their capital account, and the capital account will be credited because the capital increases. So to Arun's capital account. What will be Arun's share? So 30,000. He will not take the entire money. His share will be 4 by 5 because the sacrificing ratio is 4:1, and 2 Varun's capital account, so it will be 30,000 into 1 by 5. You will do the calculation separately just to clarify that how the calculation is made. I have shown in the journal entry itself, but it is better if you do it differently as a working at the end of the journal. You leave some space, you finish the journal, and then you do the working, and later you come back and pass the entries. So the amount will be 24,000 for Arun and 6,000 for Varun. So these are the three entries related to admission of a new partner who has joined the partnership firm with capital and the premium, and the premium is shared by the existing partners in the sacrificing ratio. So I hope this numerical is clear to all of you. If you have any question, you can call me, text me, or comment in the comment section. Thank you.